Green, green, green.
What's up, guys? My name is Cam, like Cam with the camera, and welcome to my channel. So if you're wondering what type of videos we're gonna have on my channel, I cover all different types of things, really. I'm a videographer, a photographer. I like film, I like drones, I like everything content creation wise. I also like plants though, so that's something else that's gonna be on my channel. If you have any interest in growing your own food and trying to maintain plants, looking for plants, plant information, I got that as well. I'm also gonna be talking about a little bit about marketing and maybe some web design. I build websites, so I might show you kind of my progress with that. And then the final thing that I'm gonna take you on my journey as a content creator trying to find jobs. A lot of times people make it seem like it's super easy to find these gigs and these jobs as videographers and content creators. I haven't had that same success, so I'm just gonna simply document my process. Y'all like it, that's cool. If not, let me know what I can do differently. I'm gonna be taking y'all along my journey, so that means everything from cold calling, presenting, taking y'all to different gigs, giving y'all behind the scenes look. If that's something that interests you, then let me know. I'm also gonna be doing some React videos as well. So let me know what you wanna hear my thoughts on. A little bit about me. I am currently right now 25 years old. I am mixed, half black, half white. Half my family's from upstate New York and half is from Alabama. So I have a really good mix of different opinions on different topics and just certain views on certain things. I also used to be in the military as well, so I also have a certain outlook on things that makes me and this channel very unique. As you can see, I'm also growing my hair out right now. I'm doing a freeform dreads, so you'll be seeing updates on that. I'm sure if you look back in some of my older videos, like this one right here, you can see that I didn't have a lot of hair. So this is also a little journey with me. Again, I'm just saying I'm documenting my process. Just want y'all to see what exactly this channel is about. I'll be doing everything from screen printing, content creation, plants, and personal life type stuff. So 4 different things, 4 different reasons to follow me. If you want to follow me and keep up with my life and actually interact, I want to hear from y'all. I want to interact with my audience, help me stay accountable, and you know, vice versa, whatever things you might be going through. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell to get notified of my videos, because if not, you'll never know when I get them. I'm gonna try to upload 2 to 3 times a week. It's gonna be Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. So Tuesdays, Thursdays, Sundays, each day is gonna be covering different topics. I'm just gonna be making videos and y'all let me know how you feel about them. So again, thanks for coming to my channel and be sure to like and subscribe. Peace.